Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Oh, I can't believe I'm actually saying that. I'm so excited to be here on the YouTube. The first look that I did was the look that I have here today. I'm using the Colourpop Dream St palette in collaboration with Kathleenlights. This was all her creation. I am absolutely in love with it. I use it all the time. The look that I did today was with these bright poppy shades and pretty much the warm tones of the palette, like the peachy shades over there. If you want to see how I got this look, then please keep watching. Hey guys, so the first thing that I'm doing is I am priming my lids with the Tarte Shape Tape, and then I'm setting that down with the Kat Von D Locket setting powder in the shade Light. And then I'm going in with this shade right here, which is the shade Magical, as our transition shade. And I'm just using back and forth windshield wiper motions and rocking motions, circular motions, kind of going back and forth. And then I'm deepening that up with this shade Shooting Star. And then first just patting it and then sweeping back and forth just so I have more of the deeper color in the outer corner. And then I'm going back in with that original transition shade Magical and just making sure that everything is nice and blended. And then I'm going in with this even deeper shade, which is this bright poppy red shade, and that is called Spark. Going back and forth, rocking and sweeping motions basically until our arms are on fire. And then I'm taking it down the lid a little further and, oh, dance party, and just sweeping back and forth. And then I'm going back with the brownie shade Shooting Star and going over that, making sure, again, that everything is blended to filth. Circular motions, windshield wiper motions, you know, the usual. Then we are going in with that even deeper red shade, which is called Potion. And then stamping first, stamping, pressing, then doing these rocking motions, making sure that most of the color is staying in the outer corner. And then I'm going in with this sparkly shade, which is called Sweet Dreams. And then I'm using my finger to sort of pat that in my eye, and then going back in with that Potion shade and deepening those outer corners and making sure that we have a nice gradient going from the red to the gold. Then I'm going in with the shade Telepathy. That is a Colourpop Super Shock Shadow. I'm going to deepen it with the Elfish shade. And then I'm just deepening up the inner corners with that, or outer corners with that. And then I'm going in with my favorite mascara ever. It is the Loreal Voluminous Lash Paradise in the shade Blackest Black. And then I'm just wiping off any fallout. And then I am fanning my face because it was pretty wet from the makeup wipes. Then I am priming my face, going in with the Backlight priming filter by Becca. I absolutely love this stuff. It really makes me glow. And then using the Maybelline Matte and Poreless in the shade, oh shoot, I don't know the shade. I think it's 125. But it does oxidize, and it's definitely not my shade. It's a little bit too dark for me. But just buffing that in with my foundation brush, and then I am blending that out with my MORPHE sponge, making sure that we don't have any streaks. Then I am concealing and highlighting all the areas that I like to, and I'm almost out. Oh no! All the places that I like to conceal, highlight, drawing a little alien looking thing on my face. And then I do like to conceal right on my jawline because I feel like it really makes my contour and bronzer really pop. And then blending it all away with my MORPHE sponge. And then I'm setting that down with the same powder that I used to set down my eye primer. That is the Kat Von D Locket setting powder in the shade Light again. And then just cleaning up the jawline with that as well. Now I am contouring with the Hoola bronzer? Yeah. It's the bronzing powder by Hoola. I mean, by Benefit. And then I'm going in with my Marc Jacobs Tantastic bronzer. I think this is limited edition, so I'm really sorry about that, you guys. But yeah, I just deepened it up in my bronzer contour with that, and then going in and doing my jawline because I forgot. Oh, and my forehead too. And I don't think I did my nose contour here, so I'm really sorry about that. And then going in with more bronzer because I like to go in with 4 layers of bronzer. And then I'm doing the lower lash line now. Basically repeating what we did on the top to the bottom, just going all the way from outer corner to inner corner. And then going in with this shade Shooting Star. And then not taking this all the way to my inner corner, but taking it from pretty much my outer corner to the halfway point. And my eyes are watering very badly here. What the heck? Fanning my eyes because they're watering so badly. Oh, and a coffee break, of course. Oh, okay, well, for some reason I didn't point to what shade I was using, but I'm going in with that shade, that red shade Potion again, and I'm just keeping this from my outer corner halfway in. We're not going all the way to the inner corner, just about halfway. And then I am going in with the shade, the original transition shade, which one is that? Magical. And I'm just going over all the edge again, making sure everything is blended. And then I'm taking Elfish on a flat definer and just being that really, really tight and close to the lash line. Going back in with the really poppy shade, what is this one called? Spark. And I'm just blending that Elfish shade. And then I'm taking a pencil brush with no excess product on it and just blending that away. And then taking the shade Moony and highlighting my brow bone. And my inner corners as well. And then I'm highlighting now, and I'm taking the Essence Pure Nude highlighter and the NYX Born to highlighter, the golden shade, and just highlighting all the areas that I like to highlight: the tops of my cheekbones, bridge of my nose, tips of my nose, chin, Cupid's bow, pretty much everywhere except my cheeks and jawline. And then I'm just taking my big powder brush and wiping off any fallout that may have happened, because Colourpop shadows do kind of have a lot of fallout. Now I'm going in with blush in the shade Pearlescent Pink by Wet n Wild. I like to start from the back and then work my way up to the front. I don't like my apples to look really blush-like. And then I am just setting my face with some Dewy setting spray by NYX. I love this stuff a lot. I feel like it's a dupe for the Tarte Dewy setting spray. Dewy Skin Mist, I mean. And then just fanning my face. And I forgot Loreal Lash Mascara, so just going in with that. There we go. And now I'm lining my lips with the Colourpop and Kathleenlights collaboration in the shade Aquarius. And this is my favorite lip combo right now. This lip liner, and then I'm going in with the lip gloss in the shade Moonchild, and I absolutely love this lip combo. I feel like it's like my perfect nude combo. And that is it, you guys. We are at the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment on what you would like to see from me next. And I will see you in my next video. Bye! Why? Wow, no. Ah. I'm just making it worse. Okay. That's enough monster for one day. I need to go to the grocery store like this. Oh.